Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today's the day that I'm going to start the restoration of both the vise and at the same time the oil can. And my first step is going to be to use my new power drill with some wire brushes that I bought off Amazon. For this set was £10, and then once I've done what I need to do on the vise, I'm then going to paint it. But then regards the petrol can, for things I want to buff up, I've actually bought a buffing set which was £16 again from Amazon, with a broad range of mops that I can put on the drill with various polishing compounds. So I'm going to start on with the vise first of all, with these wire brushes, but also at the end of it I should give you a rundown of whether these brushes are worth the £10 that I paid. And let's see how we go. So this is what they look like after the first run over with the Whizzy wheel. They actually come pretty good actually. I'm going to go over it a few more times with some different heads just to try and get as much of the rust off as I can. And I'll start getting into the prep work of getting it ready to paint. So I've taped up the jaws and some of the other parts of it, the sliders etc. I'm giving it its first coat of British Racing Green. I'm going to let that dry for about an hour or so, and then I'm going to come and give it a second coat. But I really like it so far for quick and cheap and cheerful restoration. I apologise for the quality of the video in this particular section. However, all I've got is a matchstick which I've whittled down one end to make a nib, and I'm then dipping it in white paint and then giving me a lot of fine control to highlight the raised lettering to make it stand out. As you can see from these shots now, all the raised writing is now highlighted in white and looks pretty good. The only part that I've got to still do is to paint the bar they used to wind the vise in and out. I've got to paint it black, but that's simply because I didn't have any black paint at this point. Excuse the noise of the crows, but this is the vise now it's finished. So black handle, green vise, white highlights, and I'm going to get some jaw protectors for this. Turn it this way so you can see a bit more. Again, I think it's come out quite well, and all I've got to do at some point is to mount it on here once I've got some shelving to put all this stuff on, which will go on the shelf along the back there, and then I shall mount it somewhere around here in order to be able to mount it and use it. Anyway, hope you'd like that quick renovation. Till next time, see you in the next video. Take care, bye bye.